Hello, my name is Evan. This is my YouTube channel. Say hello to Evan. Hello. What's up, folks? Check out this shirt. The Dirt shirt, Alice in Chains. I got this a while ago and it was not fitting me, not even close. And now it's actually loose, which is crazy. Yes. Hey, do me a favor. Go down in the description. I've got a link to my GoFundMe page. Excuse me. And it's for my new album. I just got the tracks back, the mastered tracks back, and they sound amazing. We're still ironing it out, but my God, it sounds great. And I still need funds for pressing records and for promotion. So please go down to the link. You can check out the album there. I've got a ton of videos up here on the channel. You can go back and look at a bunch of the songs that I did. And yeah, so if you can donate, that would be amazing. I'm going to play Rain When I Die by Alice in Chains. Always wanted to do an acoustic version of the song, never put in the time to come up with something cool. And just this past week, or in the last 2 weeks, Mopop, I'm not sure what that is, but they named Alice in Chains their band of the year or something like that. And so there's a bunch of cool videos on YouTube of bands doing covers of Alice in Chains songs. And then there was this version of Rain When I Die by this guy, Dallas Green. I mean, I'm doing it, my version kind of his version of their version. So he did a cool thing. So I figured I'll do something like that. Here it is, Rain When I Die. Is she ready to know my frustration? What's she slipping inside? Slow castration. I'm a riddle so strong you can't break me. Did she come here to try to take me? But did she call my name? I think it's gonna rain. Oh, when I Was it something I said held against me? Ain't no life on the run, slowly climbing. Caught in the night, so she stares at nothing. I can help her but won't. Now she hates me. But did she call my name? I think it's gonna rain. Oh, when I die. She won't let me hide. She don't want me to cry. Yeah. like it's gonna rain. Oh, when I die. Woo! All right. Well, I enjoyed that a lot. 2 takes. I got that one. Yeah, I mean, I love that song. That album, I talked about it before. I did Wood before. You can go back and check that out. This album was huge for me. The song, the studio version of that song is incredible. It starts with a great bass line, and the guitar wah is so powerful, and the chorus, the way he sings that chorus, you know, they do the dissonant harmonies in the verses, and then Lane just steps in and does that chorus, and it's so powerful. And of course, you know, as we know, Lane Staley OD'd and died alone, and was found a week or 2 after he had died or something like that. Mike Starr, the bass player who played on that album, who's credited on that song, also OD'd and died. And someone, a relative of Fallon's mom, just passed in that way, long before his time. And I know so many people who were gone before they should have been. Lane said, "It's going to rain when I die." He lived in Seattle, so the odds were definitely in his favor that was going to happen. It's a beautiful song. I love it. It's dark, but it always makes me feel good. So hope you enjoyed it. Please donate to the GoFundMe campaign if you get a chance. Go down in the link below, and I'll have a video to Dallas Green's version and the studio version of this song. So please check them out. Say goodbye, Mr. Big Skull. All right, love is love, everybody. Take care.